Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use JavaScript variables. So, we have three types of variables: var, let, and const. Var, we are not going to use it. It's so outdated, no. Let's get to the next one. Okay, we have let. Let's make a variable about cars. So, if you want to make a variable, you put the let keyword and then you follow it with a name equals and whatever you want to be stored inside in the car variable. Let's say I want to put Volvo on. And let's console log our car. Boom! You have Volvo in the console log. Okay. With the let variable, we can change the value later on if we want to. So let's do car equals to something like a black. If we console log a car now, boom, as you can see, the value of car has changed because let allows us to change the value if we want to later. Okay, the only variable left is const. Const is like a constant. You declare it, but you cannot change it later. You'll see here. It's const cat equals to brown. We have a brown cat. Let's console log our cat. We have brown. But what if we try to change the value of cat into black? Boom, we have uncaught type error, assignment to constant variable. As you can see, you cannot really declare the constant's value later on. So guys, thank you for watching. That's it, and happy coding.